Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is going to is it going to be, Shannon? What? It's going to be a very quick unboxing with you guys. So you've heard me say in a couple of videos, I took my acrylics off. My nails are, if you've ever had acrylics on your nail and you've took them off, you know your nails are, they're ruined. They're ruined till your natural nail can grow back out a healthy nail. So just to show you guys, and yes, I do bite my cuticles. I mess with my cuticles. Terrible, I know, it's terrible. I don't bite my nails, but I do bite around my cuticles. I used to bite my nails, but now I'll bite at my cuticles. Terrible, I know, it's terrible. I've been taking biotin, just plain biotin. You can get it at any store, Walmart, dollar store. You can get it anywhere, just plain biotin. Now, you guys know, a while back, somebody named Tati created a brand called Halo, and a lot of people were upset. A lot of people were disappointed, and they actually came for her because she started her brand with a supplement product. And I actually wanted to try it then, but to me it was just so pricey that I didn't. I couldn't justify it. But I've been taking the biotin every day, even when I had the acrylics on for my hair, because I've been wanting my hair to grow. And it's really growing. If you guys have paid attention and watched my videos for a while, you have seen it go from before the cruise. It was like up to here, and now it's down to my shoulders. And I take biotin every night before I go to bed. I wanted to up it, guys. I wanted to up it. Now, I don't really have bad skin. I do get a little bit of a hormonal breakout every now and then, and I actually have like one little baby zit right here going. This is no makeup. This is no makeup, skincare only. This is my skin. I mean, I don't break out usually, except a hormonal breakout at that time of the month. And I have some enlarged pores through here, which I've told you guys, and that's why I use that e.l.f. putty primer. That it works fantastic. But this is my skin. For 48, I think I have pretty good skin. I don't have perfect skin. I still get blackheads, and I get pimples, and I get those little hard white ones up around in here. That kills me trying to get those little boogers out. What are those? Does anybody know? I need to look those up. But I do occasionally get those, and I think I have one starting, and that's such a tender place to get it. But that's really my only skin issues. I want my hair to grow and maybe be a little bit thicker. It looks thick, but it's deceiving. And I want my nails to grow and be more healthy. So, you guys already know what's in this box. I'm very excited to actually try this. It's the Halo, and there's all her products now. And she said she's coming out with a new product. Now, I don't know if it's makeup or if it's with her supplements, because she just said she's coming out with a new product for Black Friday. I believe is what it was, Black Friday. But I got the hair, skin, and nails. Next time, I will just get the refill pack. I'm going to try this for a couple months. And next time, I'm going to do the refill pack. I have got to say, this is one of the most beautiful bottles I've ever seen. I mean, as far as like a supplement. I mean, seriously. Look how pretty this bottle is. It's a very soft frosted pink with the gold. And it's got that. Got our little info on it. And then it's got all the ingredients on the back. And it's gluten-free, soy-free, sugar-free, cruelty-free, vegan. She is very proud of that. Distributed by Halo Beauty Partners. Halo Beauty is a registered trademark, of course. Use as directed. And, let's see. Hair, skin, and nails booster. I know she calls this HSN for short, but every time I see that, I think of the shopping network. HSN booster, intensively nourishing, promotes thick and luxurious hair growth, minimizes fine lines or wrinkles, which thank God I haven't hit yet, but this might help keep it away. Supports collagen and keratin production, which we need for good skin and nails and hair. Promotes strong and healthy nails with anti-gray fighting enzymes. I think I'm done past that, girl. I don't think you can help me with that part. I don't think. I think I'm too far gone. I know I've said it before, but I started going gray in my teens. So yes, I've had it for a long time. It is sealed. It comes sealed, and I think you're supposed to take 2 of these a day. I'll have to double check the bottle. And Shannon can't get it open. Thank God for scissors. Lord, they made it where you can't get in. Oh, I smell the supplements already. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's just, I know they used to have a colored gel cap, and I know people had said something about the dyes maybe or whatever, but now it's just a clear gel cap, and that is the size. I know some people have trouble swallowing pills, and I know she did say you can open these capsules and like put them in a smoothie. You can just take them or mix them in with something. You can open the capsule if you have trouble swallowing a pill. I don't. What is the directions? Serving size, 2 capsules. Servings per container is 30, so this has 60 pills in it. What is the biotin? B6 biotin, 30,000 mcg, which 30,000. No, Shannon. 3,000, Shannon. 3,000 mcg, which is 1,000%. So I was only taking like 800, I think, of my biotin, which was 2 little capsules. Like I said, it's dollar store or Walmart or wherever. So this boy is jacked up. It is jacked up. It says you're getting all the stuff. What else is in here? I know some people didn't like the saw palmetto that was in one or the other ones. Let's see. Vitamin C, vitamin D3, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, biotin, zinc, copper, magnesium, catalase, rosehip. Rosehip is good, actually. I need to drink rosehip tea. I can't pronounce that one. It's SMS, saw palmetto, there it is. Something else that I can't pronounce. Grapeseed extract, pumpkin seed, ceramide RX, and I think that was trademarked for her. Horsetail, astaxanthin, what, I can't. Alpha liptic acid, some of those I cannot pronounce. I'm sorry. So I'm going to take 2 of these when I go to bed, and I'm going to start on this. And guys, I will let you know what my nails look like after a month. I will let you guys know if I think my hair looks better, if my skin looks better. I will definitely be reviewing this after 30 days, and I will continue with another 30 days because it takes 3 months for your nails to grow from base to tip. It takes about 3 months, and I've had about a month growth with just regular biotin. So we're going to see. We're going to see. If you go on her Instagram, there is a lot of before and afters, especially with skin. And guys, it looks amazing. It looks amazing. So that's why I thought I would give it a go. I am going to get my hair trimmed. My hair has not been cut since spring because I was letting it grow. Can you believe that? I have not cut my hair since the spring, and that's what has grown. Now I have trimmed my bangs, just lightly gone through and just snipped the ends. But as far as the back and everything, that's why the back looks kind of ratty back here. I'm going to go get it shaped up and just basically the shape that you see it, but I'm just going to get my ends shaped up and everything probably next week because that's payday. And I'm going to get it shaped up. It's grown a lot. It has grown so much because if you remember, when I went on the cruise, it was like up to here. So it's grown about that much. And that's just taking the plain biotin. So I can't wait to see what this does. I am so excited to try this. It's not even funny. I'm so excited to try this. So if you guys have tried it, please comment down below if you've tried any of her products. Let me know down below. Let everybody know down below. And if it was good, if it was bad, whatever, let us know down below. And I will definitely keep you guys up to date on this. I'll do another check-in 30 when this bottle is empty. So I'm excited. I am. I'm really excited to try it. And it's expensive. Yes, it is. It's expensive. The little refill packs are not quite as expensive because you're not having to pay for a new bottle, which I think is fantastic. Because they would just go in the trash, or, you know, if you recycle, they'd go in the recycle. But I'm excited to try it. All right, guys, that is it for this little video. Let me know down below if you've tried any of her products and what kind of experience you've had with it. If you'd like to try any of her products, and what do you think the new item is? Is it going to be another supplement, or is it going to be a beauty item? What do you think it is? As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.